Hello, today I had to do a update on the Twitter API so I could get tweets on the results side here, and I should be able to get it in whatever language I want or whatever type I want. Mixed, popular, everything. So let me test it out first so you can see how it works. So records, get it in English, and let's get a mixed result. You can see here the tweets that we have that are pertaining to records. Here are the badges. Here is how many retweets they have, the purple, and then the favorites are in the blue-green color here. So I'll step by step, I'll show you the code. So this is the HTML file. I had to do an options for the language. So I did the form group for the Bootstrap form group here, and then I did the label for it, which is language, and then the drop down here for options. Option 1 would be any English, Spanish, French, or Japanese. And then they each have a value here that I will put into the JavaScript code so that we can search it according to any other language. And I did the same thing for result type. I have the options, and I have any mixed, recent, and popular. And then down here, you'll see this is where the badges go. So I have the retweet one and then the favorite tab one. So then here, I'll show you the JavaScript code now. I had to first get the values that were input into the form right here, the language and result type val. It'll just return whatever value, whichever option is picked will return this value here. So, and then check for the error message. So I have to put for the Ajax call, I have to do the type, which is get, data type is JSON, and then the data key search, will search whatever is been put it in this box here. Then language, which is whatever value is here, and then the result type, which is whatever value is in here. So then what I have to do is after I get a success that it worked, that it went into the API and got something, that's when you have, I put here, I added the badges code. So I have the retweet badge and the favorites badge. The retweet badge is purple. The favorites badge is that blue-green color. And I just, if you look here, in the development here, and you look into the array of, which is how many, the tweets here are each in an object. So if you look into an object and I want to look for, I want to get the number of retweets, so I looked through here and I saw that there is actually a value for it called retweet count right here. And then I also wanted the favorite, so I and then you'll see it here, favorite count. So what I did was for the server response, I did the status I dot retweet count. So it goes into the array here, the object here, and then takes out the retweet count value. And it's the same thing for favorite count. And that's pretty much how this works for it to look like this. And then I styled it. I also added the style to it here, so it changed the color. One more thing I'll go over is that in order for this to work, I have to have this API folder that we had in class, and you have to have your own secret key here 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, it won't work and it'll get you somewhere. So for now, I'll just play around with this a little more so you can see other results. Play any in Spanish. See everything in Spanish here. FIFA, Central American, no? French. French. Oh, you have French there, and then say Japanese. The 50 years of me probably Japanese, from what I can tell. That's pretty much the project for the Twitter API. I hope you enjoyed the video.